Stretch marks are a very difficult thing. First order business, don't get fat, don't continue to be fat. Now look at me, I didn't follow that rule. Stretch marks are a tough one. So for stretch marks, I like a retinoid, a very light retinoid. I like to use something called azelaic acid gel, and I have my patients put it on at night. That will help take out kind of the redness from the stretch mark, the shininess from the stretch mark, but that's not gonna do the whole trick. If you wanna get rid of stretch marks, I'm gonna go back to my trusty old friend. I've been talking about her for a while now, CO2 laser. You're gonna shoot your belly with the CO2 laser for about 2,000 bucks. Your stretch marks are going to be gone. Your belly will look a little red and swollen for about a week, but nobody's gonna see it because you're gonna wear your t-shirt and you're not gonna see it. Outside those two things, a retinoid, a CO2 laser, really the next step is then to have plastic surgery where you do an abdominoplasty and you cut everything away and you start fresh. Hey, that's good too. I'm thinking about doing one of those for my 45th birthday to bring this baby back to snap mode, okay? I always get these questions from the patients. Can Coolsculpting, can Emsculpting help stretch marks? The answer is no. There's nothing you could do for that. It's like actually having a scar. So when you want to repair a stretch mark, you gotta go into your tool belt of all your scar repair things. Emsculpting and Coolsculpting are good for two things. One, losing fat. Both of them reduce the amount of adipocyte cells, which are fat cells, permanently. Belly, jawline, underarms, legs. The second thing they do is Emsculpting. Emsculpting actually builds muscle mass by 30% if you get one session. And what's really in vogue these days is for people to come once every 2 months for Emsculpting to keep the flow going of the muscles. It's really not that expensive when you think about gym memberships. What, a gym membership in New York City could cost anywhere from $100 to $200 or $300 a month. If you want one of those fancy ones over there on the West Side Highway, would they have that new tour thing? I forgot what they call it. It's like $300 to go to that gym over there. So for $800, which is $400 if you do it once every 2 months, you could do your whole gym right here. You don't even have to go. I could be your personal trainer here. If you want to learn more about this topic, you could visit us at cinederm.com or call our office at 718-491-5800.